how to install Termux, and top 3 best tools for beginners vertical bar CodeWhisperX. Welcome back to CodeWhisperX. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Termux properly and introduce 3 of the best tools you can use right away as a beginner in ethical hacking. Let's get started. Part 1. Termux installation. First, let's install Termux. I recommend downloading it from F-Droid instead of the Play Store because it's more stable and up-to-date. Steps. 1. Go to f-droid.org and search for Termux. 2. Download and install it. Make sure to enable Install from Unknown Sources in your settings. 3. Open Termux and run these commands: pkg update and pkg upgrade, pkg install git curl wget python. Done. You're ready to install hacking tools. Tool 1. Zfisher phishing tool. Zfisher is one of the most powerful phishing tools for Termux. It supports multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. Installation: git clone https://github.com/htr-tech/zfisher.git cd zfisher bash zfisher sh. Note, this is for educational purposes only. Do not use it illegally. Tool 2. Nmap network scanner. Nmap is a powerful tool for scanning devices in your local network. Installation: pkg install nmap. Usage example: nmap 1 92.168.0.1. It shows open ports, services, and more. Tool 3. Hactronian all-in-one tool. Hactronian is a collection of different hacking tools in one package, including info gathering, phishing, and more. Installation: git clone https://github.com/thehackingsage/hactronian.git cd hactronian HANMOD +x hactronian.py python 2 hactronian.py. Explore the menu and try each option step by step. That's it for today's video. We installed Termux and tried out 3 powerful tools for beginners. Which tool should I cover in detail next? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CodeWhisperX for more ethical hacking content.